Hello and welcome to my first episode in English, as I am an Arabic speaker and my channel is in Arabic, but I observed that there are some foreigners coming to my channel and they are non-Arabic speakers, so I decided to make this for you. Beginners, first time, they don't know anything about investment, they don't know anything about charts, indicators, and they want to engage in our Saudi stock market. And I saw a couple who tried to contact with me, and they need to know how to use the charts and the indicators. Therefore, I am doing this for them. This is not for you if you are a professional. Professional, please just watch and I will be delighted if you will put some nice comments about what I'm doing and how I'm teaching. But for a beginner, this is for you. First of all, you have to have a program opening for you charts, adding indicators. If you want to speculate, you want to buy and sell, without charts, you are in the dark. You don't know what's going on. But with charts, candles, Bollinger Bands, MACD, RSI, these indicators will help you to make the correct decision and buy at the correct time, sell at the right price, buy when it's time to buy and sell when it's time to sell, and how you will sell and how you will buy. So all of this I'm gonna give it to you today for free. Please kick back and enjoy. Okay, first of all, you need a program. If you don't have one, I recommend Ticker Chart. Ticker Chart, I will put the link in the description, so you can reach it. It's a nice company developing a very good program for Market Watch, and you can use it for using the charts and prices, live and real-time data. All this information, you can find it and the link in the description below. For a beginner, I recommend that you start by having the Ticker Chart Net. It's free, but it's in Arabic. They don't make it in English. But if you buy the version, the non-free version, which is, I guess, if you come here and say buy, yeah, it will give you this three choices. So get the net, it's cheaper, and it's giving you real-time data and multi-screens and so forth. If you buy it, you can choose the market you want to buy in and trade in. So Saudi Arabia market, and you have the plus and the light. The plus will give you more options. You can go in to more details, and these are the prices. For a month it's only 120, and if you get 3 months, you're gonna get 2 free months, so that's a good offer. They have offers from time to time, so. But if you want to go deep, so I guess the best thing is the life. This is what I use. It gives you all the tools you need. You have to have all the tools available it's too much tools actually for a beginner. So I don't recommend it for a beginner. I really prefer that you get the net. You don't need to download any program. You're using it on a Safari or Google Chrome, so you don't need to download anything. Or if you don't want and you have a program that gives you live prices, real-time data, so you need just something for charts, which is the trend. The trend will give you charts, and this is what I'm gonna use today to explain to you how to use the charts. It's giving you a good information, live and real-time data. So let's go ahead and transfer to the charts and how to use it. This is the trend program. It doesn't give you a market watch, but it gives you the charts you need, all the tools for a analysis to use. And the most important thing I want to talk about is the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands is something very complicated, but at the same time very simple, very easy to use, and it's reliable. You can really depend on it if you know how to read it. So how to get the Bollinger Band? This is a normal chart without any indicators. When you open the charts, this is what you will see. Now you want to add the indicator Bollinger Band. So you'll go to add indicator, and it's there, first thing. Click on it. That's it. You don't need to change any settings, nothing at all. What is this? Simply, it's a high line, low line, middle line. That's the simplest way to say it. And these are the charts, the candles of the price. This is a 1 hour chart time frame. So each candle is 1 hour. So for example, now I want to buy in this company, it's STC. Where should I buy and where should I sell? The rules of the Bollinger Bands is simple. If the candle is at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, it's a time to buy. If it's at the top of the Bollinger Band, it's the time to gain and sell. Take your gains and sell, go out. But there is a strategy you have to use. If you follow this strategy, your gains will be humongous. You will be happy. You will always see your wallet and your investments going green and growing and growing. So what should I do? Let's make it more wider and go back historical, back away. Let's see here. Now that's the beginning where I'm gonna buy. The candles dropping. The candles hit the bottom of the Bollinger. So I'm gonna have a number of shares. I'm gonna buy it. And let's say in this candle, the candle went out from the Bollinger Band. The rule says wait and see the next candle when it's born. Is it inside the Bollinger Band field or outside? If it's outside, then wait. Don't buy. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time, take a deep breath, and wait. If it's inside, that's the time you can jump in. Okay? So, when you jump in, let's say you have 100,000 reals. Should I put the 100,000? No. You should not put all your capital or the money you decided to put in STC, for example, is 100,000. You have 1 million and you decided to put 100,000 in STC. Well, take it step by step. Let's say divide the 100,000 and let's say 40%, 30%, 30%. So 3 parts. Part 1, 40%, jump in. So 40,000 riyals. And wait. Next hour goes up more. Good, fine, I'm okay. But when it drop again and hit again here, wait until we'll see another candle goes in. This candle is in. So take another 30%, 30,000. So now you have 70,000 riyals invested, and still there is 30,000 riyal, and keep it as a backbone for just in case this candle, when I buy in it, the next candle didn't come this way and it goes out more. So that's another time to put the other 30,000. Otherwise, keep it. Keep always cash aside. Now it goes up, goes up, goes up. This candle penetrate the top of the Bollinger Band. Well, now it's time to sell a part, not the whole shares you bought. So you can sell 50% of your money, of your shares, and wait. If the next candle didn't go up more and goes down, fine. I have now more cash and I can get back the 50% I sold in the high. Let's say the high is 107 and the low here was 105.60. So I bought here 105, let's say 106, and it went up to the 107.60. Let's say 107.40. I decided to sell half of my shares. I sold half. It went back down. Now, when it goes penetrating the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, that's a good indication that it's gonna go up, and now the resistant line is your middle line, actually your support. Before, the candle was under the middle line, it was your resistant line. As long you penetrate it and the price close upper than the middle line, well, the middle line becomes your resistant. So this is what's going on. See this candle, it hit the resistant line and respect it, did not break it, and goes up. Now this candle came here and hit the resistant line. I can buy here as long it's respecting the middle line. It becomes my resistant line, so I can buy in this area. The low is 106.40, so it's a good place to hit what I sold here. If I sold here half of my shares, I can buy it here again. Let's say another 50% of what I sold. Always jump in, go out 50%, 50%. So for example, if I have 5,000 shares here, I sold 2,500. Now I want to buy it here, but I'm not gonna buy the 2,500 shares again. No, I'm gonna buy only half of it. Let's say 1,250. I'm sorry. So 1,250 shares I'm gonna buy it here, and then again it's going a flat line, no problem, as long it's respecting the middle line. Another time here it's hitting, it penetrate, but it close upper than the middle line, so it's really a strong resistant line for me. So I'm gonna buy again here the other 1,250 and take back what I sold here and go with it. Now it goes up, it penetrates the upper Bollinger line, I'm gonna wait and see the next candle. Is it in the Bollinger Band field or no? If it's still out, then I'm fine, I'm going with it. See, the next candle is still up, it's pushing. This is the bullish trend. So I'm in a bullish trend now, and I'm happy, I'm making money. When should I sell and how should I sell? Well, until you will see the candle inside the Bollinger Band field, this is the time to decide to sell. As long it's outside and going up, I should really hold and don't sell until you'll see it goes in again. Now here it went back again to the field of the Bollinger Band. So I'm gonna sell half of my shares again. The 5,000 shares I bought here at 107 and here at 106. It's time to gain my profits and sell here at 109, 50, 109, 60, 70. It's a good price to sell, but you should also again sell half of it, so 2,500 shares again. Why? Because maybe the next candle will go up again. If I sell the whole shares I have and the price goes up, I'm gonna regret, and I'm saying, damn it, why did I sell it all? And so if you sell half of it and keep half, if it goes up, you're still gaining. If it goes down, you have cash to buy again. Now that's the idea, that's the strategy you should follow. It's simple, it's easy, it's safe. You won't lose this way. So if I sell here now, on this candle or this candle at 109.80, 109.70, 109.50, I get my gains, I sell half of my shares, and I'm saying, let's see, go down, I want to buy more, or go up, I still have in your stomach. So it goes up. Now I'm gaining, the other 2,500 shares is making for me money. Goes up to 111. Did it hit up the Bollinger Band? No, it did not, but it started to go down again. Now that's a big stick in the candle. It shows and indicate that there is so many people gaining and selling to take their profits. It's fine with me. I don't want to sell in this area. It's not my place to sell. My place to sell is up here. So I'm standing and holding my 2,500 shares remaining. But don't be too much greedy. If you feel like the 111 high there is a good place to sell, it's fine with me. Sell another 1,000 shares, but don't sell all your shares, because it might go up more. If it goes down, you sell some shares already and you have cash, you can buy again. Now see what happened here. The price was dropping. It breaks the middle line of the Bollinger. My resistance line was not respected and the candles break it. I should be happy here because I sold already some here and I have now cash. Even if the shares I still hold is not gaining, it's far away from my what do you call this, cost price, I guess. Yeah, cost price. Okay, so I'm not worried. My cost price is 106, 107, and here it's like 111, and when it drops it goes to 109. I'm still fine. My wallet is still green. I'm not worried about it. So I'm waiting for the candles to hit back the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and it did. Now it's time to buy again. At 100, the low is 109.20, so I can buy at 109.50, 109.30, even 60 is fine. And it went back up. Did it hit penetrate? It did penetrate the middle line, but did not have enough strength to continue. I don't have any problem. I bought here. I'm gonna wait until it will penetrate. When it penetrate, now when you buy here, what did you buy? Half of what you sold, right? So 1,250. You still have cash to buy again 1,250. When you should buy it? Well, if it penetrate and close upper the middle line, which becomes my resistant line now. Before it was my support line, but when I break it and I deal under it and the candles become under my support line, it turns into a resistant line. So every time I'm gonna hit, I cannot penetrate, it's a resistant line. It hit here, it hits here, and now it hits here, but still cannot penetrate. The next candle was still under. I have to wait until I will see a penetration, like what happened here, and a candle upper the middle line. Here, it's my time to get my other 1,250 shares. And I get back 5,000 shares now again. And let's go. It's going up. So, another bullish trend. Okay, I'm gonna, what is this? Cancel. Okay, this is the way. Okay, now it's going up. It penetrate the upper line of the Bollinger. Fine, I'm gonna stay. I wanna see the next candle. Is it inside or still penetrating? It's still penetrating, so I'm gonna stay. Next candle goes up more, I'm gonna stay. Next candle goes up and down, fine. Still out the Bollinger Band field, I'm gonna stay. Closed. Next market, they opened at 115, so 115. It's inside. Yes, it is. So sell half immediately, without thinking, without don't really think too much, too hard. Just sell half. It's the easiest way to keep your money and keep your gains. If you think too much, the market will not wait for you. Sell half and you will be fine. If it goes up, you still have half and you can gain more. If it will go down, and this is what's going on now here, you're gonna be happy and say, hey, come down, I need you, I want you in a low price. So here I didn't sell, and when the open of the market next day, first hour, this is what I see. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell half of my shares. Goes up again, fine. I still have shares. I don't have any problem. Go penetrate, and I'm gonna sell another half. Otherwise, I'm gonna hold. Goes down, and that's beautiful. Now, it hit the resistance line. Should it respect it and don't break it, I will be happy. I can buy if the next candle goes up here, but what happened? The next candle is under my resistance line. So okay, hold, wait, take a deep breath, and just say, go down, I want you down. So it went down more, goes to a flat line, then breaks and go down. Now it's a good time to buy. Yes, it is, because you are near the Bollinger Band, on the low Bollinger Band area. So it's a good time here to get some. When should I buy? Well, when the next candle of this red candle is green. So this is green, but it's the same height, the same size. So wait. the market close. Next day open, boom, here, take 1250 because you sold here 2500, right? You sold it here, so now you have cash and you are happy to buy. Not here, not here, but yes, indeed, I will buy here. 1250 shares, buy here, and it's going up. It hit the resistance line, did not penetrate, so no problem. If it will go down, I still have money to buy, but next candle penetrated and close above it, so fine. Here is the time to sell. See, it's hitting the upper Bollinger Band, and the price was on the high 113.60. Don't waste time. Sell immediately half of the shares you have. Goes down again, break the resistance line, watch it, make sure it goes down more to buy, or don't buy at all until you'll see candles in the bottom. No candles in the bottom, no buying at all. Goes up more, no candles on the top, no selling at all. Just hold your position until now, and that's the last candle of the day, which is 28, Thursday. This is the whole deal. So it's so easy, so simple to follow, and you won't lose at all. I hope this episode is useful to you and you can use it correctly. Please don't hesitate to put your comment. You're gonna find my channel and how to reach me. I will put all the links in the description below, and the link of the ticker chart program in the description, so you can reach me easily. This is my channel. It's Arabic, but if you go to the playlist, you're gonna find a folder called Learn With Me, and you're gonna find this clip in this folder called Learn With Me. I didn't create it yet, so I'm gonna do it now, and it will show in the channel. And that's it. So